Welcome to 7408 Waterfall Drive in the prestigious neighborhood of Newport Village in McKinney in Stonebridge Ranch. This home has 5 bedrooms, a gorgeous pool, 3-car garage, over 5,400 square feet, newly updated, absolutely gorgeous. You are not going to want to miss this one. Come on in. We can't wait to show you around. When you enter this beautiful home, you'll first see formal living area with a 2-way fireplace into the study. A beautiful formal dining room. The stone wall. Across the entrance, you'll find this wonderful pool bath and into the executive study with French doors that lead out onto the patio. Now we're going to head into this beautifully remodeled kitchen. Brand new quartz countertops, new dishwasher, new sink, new backsplash, new built-in refrigerator. It's absolutely phenomenal. And then we head on into the large family room. Another beautiful fireplace, built-in TV area, and desk. Downstairs, you have a secondary bedroom that is here for your guests. And then you also have this lovely full bath. We're going to pass by this staircase. This is the back staircase. And head over to the master. And you'll see you have beautiful views of this pool from almost every single room in the house. Here we're going to walk into the master. And into the master bath. Granite countertops, frameless shower, soaking tub, and this is the master closet that has an extensive amount of built-ins in it. It is a great closet. You'll notice these beautiful wood floors as we head back to the front staircase. This staircase has been completely reworked. Beautiful wood, new pewter spindles, and also all new wood balusters. Upstairs, you enter into this great upstairs living area, and behind these glass double doors is this magnificent over 600 square feet of space built out that you can do whatever is best for your family. It'd be a great children's retreat, movie room. It's just awesome extra space. Then on to the 3 bedrooms that are upstairs. This is the first of the upstairs bedrooms. All 3 bedrooms have a great walk-in closet. And then this is the second upstairs bedroom that shares this large Jack and Jill bath with the 3rd bedroom. A really special thing about this bedroom is it has additional living space here. So it's a great reading room or entertainment room for the lucky one that gets to have this bedroom. Now let's head back downstairs. We'll go outside and find this beautiful pool. You can hear the ambiance of that waterfall, this gorgeous palm trees. There's a fire pit and a huge covered patio. Also a brand new built-in kitchen outdoors here. And if we walk around the covered patio, around the pool, you'll see the waterfall. You'll also see a diving stone, lots of sun deck, shady spot for a hammock, and then you have to see there's a huge yard left over on the back side of the home. Just to wrap up, we're here at 7408 Waterfall Drive in McKinney. You do not want to miss this gorgeously updated home. Thanks for taking the time to listen. Happy house hunting.